In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money with YouTube and ClickBank. So as you can see in my screen, this is one of my YouTube channel. I have never thought about earning money from my YouTube channel. I actually started to upload video because I fell in love with creating videos. Similarly, at the same time, I have also created another YouTube channel which I've recently got monetized. Like it has just been like 3 months. Okay, it is 3 months running. Both of these channels are monetized at the same time, and now it have already started to generate revenue by because I am just uploading the video that I love to make. So I think it is always a better idea to start a YouTube channel, because even if you don't make any money with the affiliate program or any program that you are promoting, okay, any product you are promoting, then also you will be making money with YouTube. So this is not a good or huge amount of money, but gradually it will grow over time. That I am totally confident on. And I am also trying to make and create best YouTube content that I can deliver for my audience. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can earn money by promoting the affiliate products that are inside ClickBank by starting a YouTube channel in an easy way. Because if things are hard, then it is absolutely impossible to do affiliate marketing or promote affiliate products with YouTube. So I'm going to make everything extremely simple. So watch this video till the end. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to have a ClickBank account, and for some reason, if you are not able to create your own ClickBank account, then what you can do is you can simply search on Google for Digistore24. It is same like ClickBank, okay, and you can find several affiliate products inside this platform also. But if you can create your account on ClickBank, then that's fine. You just create your account on ClickBank. Now this is going to be the step 1. Now in step 2, now in second step, you need to select a niche in which you are going to create a YouTube channel. And if you ask me what niche you need to select, then be very clear. It is not important that you need to create YouTube videos, okay? So that's why you can create a channel on any niche, but my preferred niche is the health and fitness niche, because most of the high gravity products are in that niche, like XGPR weight loss, okay, this Prodentim is dental niche, this not eye caria, just it is also weight loss. So maybe a weight loss channel would be perfect, okay, because there are lots of weight loss product that you can promote in YouTube. So the second step is to decide which niche you want to do. So perfectly fine, weight loss, okay. So and the top product is XGPR. Now if you want to get your affiliate link, it is extremely simple. You just need to click on promote and just click on create uplink, and your affiliate link is ready. Just copy it, and now you can start to promote it. Now you need to mask this link, and to mask this link, what you need to do is just visit to a site that is called bitly.com, okay, and then you can just sign up for free and create your short link. So it is extremely simple to create short link inside Bitly. You just need to paste the link and click on shorten, and here you can see your affiliate link, which looks like this, will be shortened to this one. Just copy it and save it in Notepad. Or what you can do is you can again create your own free account inside Bitly and create this same short link, okay. Now once you have shortened your link, then it's time for you to go to YouTube and just search for XGPR review. Now you'll see some random reviews here. You don't need to see any of these. Just click on this filter and then click on this view count, and then you'll see all the videos that are related to XGPR reviews that have highest amount of views. So now you need to watch few of these. So just let's click on here and open it in new tab. So let me open all of these 3 quickly. So 1, 2, 3. So now here you can see someone is talking about XGPR, and let's see there. Here is the link that here is the affiliate link from ClickBank that they are promoting below this video. Similarly, here you can see another review. Here is the affiliate link. Similarly, here is another type of video like text and screen, and here is the affiliate link. Now of course all of these 3 videos whoever have created them are making good amount of money with XGPR. Now you need to watch all of this video and select the best video that you can recreate, okay, that you should recreate. So for example, maybe you are interested in this 4-minute video, you just copy the link of this video. You can copy it directly from there, or just click on share and copy the link of this video and save it in Notepad. Now you just need to click on the link that is given in the description for this site Fiverr, and you and I both can get up to $100 just for signing up and making an order inside Fiverr. So just sign up with the link that I have given in the description for this Fiverr, and then just click on just create your account. It is free to create your account on Fiverr. Then just click on here and then click on post a request, and you'll see this kind of interface. So you need to fill out this form so that you can hire someone to create a video for XGPR review for your YouTube channel. So you can quickly fill out the form. I am a YouTuber and I want to hire someone to create review video for my channel, and just type I want to hire someone to create review video for my channel, okay, and then just select the category video, and maybe video promotion and distribution, or maybe video editing. So just okay, so it is not working. I think my page is continuously being hanged by using this process, so I'll show you another process. So for now, let's click on this exit, and then let's reload it, and let's again click on this exit. Now what you can do is just click on this profile and then click on manage request, and then here you can see you can post a request, get an offer, and you can place your order. So what happens when you post a request for someone to hire someone to create a review video for you, then you need to click on this post a request and fill out their form, what you want people to do for you, okay, and then people will start to quote their price like $10, $20, $50, $30, how much they are willing to get in order to create a review video for you. And then if you think that is appropriate, then you can place the order. So just click on post a request, and then here you can see describe the service you are looking to purchase. So just type I want to hire someone who can make review YouTube video for my channel, and in detail you can also write like for affiliate products that are inside ClickBank. Don't write ClickBank, just affiliate products, and then scroll below and choose the category. So this should be video and animation, and in subcategory maybe you can select e-commerce product video or something like that. Don't worry, if you even select this, then also targeted people will see your post and they will apply for the job. So how fast you want the delivery to be, don't be like 24 hours, okay, give them at least 3 days. And the budget, minimum budget, I would suggest $20. You can go higher if you want, $25, that would be also fine. Just for one video you can put the $20. So some may apply for like $10, some may apply for $50, okay, but it's your choice whether you want to hire them or not. Then just simply click on submit request, and it will go for a verification, and immediately it will also show you lots of other services where people are going to create video for you if you hire them, okay, and they may be a little bit costly, but they have good amount of reviews and ratings. So now again, if you click on here and go to manage request, then you can see here is one pending request which Fiverr will allow after verifying. If this is not some kind of spammy post, then they will approve it, and then your this post will go to this active, and people will start to apply for this job, and you can easily hire them, okay. So in this way you can easily create a video for yourself, okay, hire people to create review video for yourself for cheap price. Once you get your video done, then just watch that video and approve your order, okay, and get that video, and then again follow the similar process and then order thumbnail, okay, for your video. And then now it comes for the time to get title and description. For that, what you need to do is just go to the YouTube video that you are trying to recreate and use the pretty similar title. Just make some modification in this title, and then you can reuse this title. And in case of description, you can use your affiliate link in similar manner. Okay, make sure to put your link in the first comment and pin it at the top also, and then read this description and don't copy this description as it is. Make it short and sweet and give the concise information about the exact product that you are promoting. So in this simple way you can easily promote ClickBank products with YouTube, and later you also will be able to generate ad revenue from YouTube, which can be like a passive income for you. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.